back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here, Natural Transplants. We are back in the Bethesda, Maryland office, and we are thrilled to have Tim here today. Tim, welcome.
Thrilled to be here.
Awesome. How are you feeling today?
Yeah, I'm feeling excited.
Excited? Okay, a little bit of nervousness, but mostly excited.
That's awesome. Excited.
Great.
Yeah.
Tell, if you wouldn't mind, and appreciate you doing this for everybody. This is awesome.
Yeah, happy to.
Tell us, if you wouldn't mind, kind of a little bit of history of your hair loss and kind of how you found this.
Sure. So I'm 44, and I went into college at 18 with a full head of hair, and I came out and somebody said you got a receding hairline.
Yeah.
I didn't even know what that was, but I've been fighting it basically, since my early 20s, and I do use a laser light therapy cap that helps, and I take the finesse stride.
Right.
But there's no way to replace the hair that's gone.
Yeah.
So this is something I've been wanting to do for a very long time now. I've been looking at it online. I found other consultations. I found you guys. I did a Google search, high ratings on the internet, and I had a good consultation when I came in and met with you a couple months back. So I'm feeling positive about it.
Good. Excellent. We're having a great day today. This is great. I'm just going to have you zoom in real quick. So I'm going to pull back your hair just so we can kind of see what we're working with today. And you can see in the recession areas here, we have good donor hair. You got really good density, but as we've discussed, your hair is on the fine side. So what we're gonna do is obviously fill in the recession areas, and we're also going to go into the central area as well and try to fill in this frontal third. It's really what we want to sort of reestablish, because in the future we discussed you may most likely lose this as well too. So we want to go in here as well. That way, if and when you do lose that, it's going to still look normal and natural. Yes. And that's really the key to looking natural.
Okay.
Awesome. We'll do a little bit of drawing, do a little bit of shaving. We'll get back to you a little bit. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
That sounds good. Thanks. All right, we are back. Believe it or not, this is still Tim. Now, you do not have to shave your head. A lot of people freak out about it. He preferred to go this look instead of one of the Three Stooges, which sometimes you can look like if you just shave the top. But so he decided to shave the rest of his head, which is fine. And hopefully it'll this may grow back sooner than the transplanted hair, but then you can kind of shave it all down to the same length before. But as you see, we're going to be focusing on the frontal third here. So we got drawn out our line, and then we drew out our incision donor area back here as well too.
We took the time to make sure that we got the hairline exactly where we wanted it.
Good. Nice and natural.
Looks even, looks natural, and I'm already excited about the results.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
Awesome. Happy to get going. Yes.
Fantastic. All right, we'll probably catch you up a little bit, partway through, and then at the end we'll check in with you again. Okay. Awesome, Tim.
Thanks a lot.
All right, we are back and we have finished with Tim. Tim, you doing all right?
Yes, I'm doing great.
You feeling all right? Okay, good. Yeah. So, go sort of tell everybody how the day went.
So it's a really easy day. It's actually a pleasant experience. The doctor starts by drawing on your head and shaving your head, and the only painful part is 15 minutes of kind of like when you go to the dentist and you get those needles. Yeah. That was exciting, but really 15 minutes, and it was done. Yeah. And the rest of the day, it just feels like I've got a hat on, and the staff is pushing on the top of my head. I don't feel anything at all.
Good.
Staff is great here, by the way. Everybody's very friendly, really professional, really easy to work with. It's comfortable. Get to watch TV, so it's much easier than what I was expecting.
Good. Good.
I look like a freak. I was expecting that, but the whole experience was a lot better than what I thought it would be. So I'm really happy.
Good. Yeah, thank you. Appreciate that. I'm going to have you come in and we're going to kind of see the work we did. Again, frontal thirds really filled in. That first row or two is all the 1 and the 2 hair grafts. Everything behind it evenly distributed, the 3 to 6 hair grafts. And then we're going to spin you around so we can see the incision. It's going to come out real nice. Awesome. Well, I appreciate you kind of sharing your story with everybody, and hopefully you can kind of, someone else can see from this and feel comfortable going forward. All right?
Yes, it's worth doing. Do it.
Awesome. Thanks.
If you're watching this video, do it.
Hopefully we'll follow you along over the year and
we'll come back in a year.
Awesome. Yeah. Sounds good. Appreciate it, man.
Thanks, doctor. Appreciate it.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.